Welcome to my castle of gems. Every room here is made of something precious.
Today, I'll take you on a magical journey through the world of metals and gems. Let's sparkle and learn together. This is the gold room. Gold is bright, shiny, and used in jewelry and coins. It never loses its glow.
This is diamond, the hardest gem on earth. It shines brighter than all. Here's silver. It's smooth, elegant, and shines like moonlight. Platinum is rare and powerful. Yo, a true royal metal. Sapphire cry, deep as the sea, symbol of peace and loyalty.
Ruby is full of passion and love. It sparkles with fire.
Emerald Ilthel, the stone of life, nature, and new beginnings.
Every gem shines in its own way, just like words in English. Keep learning, keep glowing.